myViewBoard can help you to read out the content mentioned on the screen. To do that, select the content that you want to be read aloud. As you click on that, just besides the same, you can see a lot of options available. Click on Immersive Reader. As you click on Immersive Reader, the entire content is ready to be read aloud. Click on the play button.
The brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch.
I can also change the voice selection to male.
Touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature.
I also have an opportunity to change the voice speed. For instance, if I want it to be slow,
Temperature. Hunger and every process that regulates our body. Together, the brain and spinal cord that extends from it make up the central nervous system, or CNS.
Now, if I want this content to be read aloud in another language, I can click on this reading option here. As I click on reading preferences, I can choose another option that meets my requirement. For example, if I would like to change this content to Hindi, let me click on Hindi, click on entire document, and the content is ready to be read aloud. Let me click on play.
मस्तिष्क एक जटिल अंग है जो विचार, स्मृति को नियंत्रित करता है.
So in this way, the entire content can be read aloud in different languages.